Sir, we are getting a lot of DMs from our followers asking how are your students building full stack projects so fast and posting them on LinkedIn?
Good question. It's not magic, it's smart tools. And one of them is Lovable AI. Let me show you. If you are in second or third year CS, you know the struggle. You learn React, you start the backend, you plan a cool project idea. And then, setup issues, folder structure confusion, API errors, 3 days gone, motivation gone. Meanwhile, your friend on LinkedIn posts, build this full stack app in just 48 hours. So, what are they doing differently? Watch till the end to see how you can use this in real projects. Lovable AI is a no-code AI-powered platform that builds functional full-stack web apps from simple natural language prompts. You just describe what you want to build and it will generate front-end components, back-end setup, even database connections. Now, listen carefully. It's not replacing coding, it's accelerating your starting phrase. And that changes everything. Here's how students use it. Give a clear prompt based on your product idea. AI will generate the working structure. You customize, improve, and add your own logic. Simple. Let's just jump into an example. Let's say you want to build a personal portfolio website. Instead of starting from scratch, you prompt, create a modern portfolio website for a CS student with projects, skills, and contact forms. And within minutes, layout ready, sections ready, structure ready. Now, what do? You tweak styling, add real project data, improve responsiveness. That's it. From idea to working prototype. Not weeks, not days, just hours. That's modern engineering. Here's the reality. In 2026, companies won't reward slow builders. They'll reward developers who can build faster, smarter, and better using AI tools effectively. So here's the balance. Learn the fundamentals, master your core concepts, and learn how to work with AI. Because the future developer is not the one who avoids AI, it's the one who knows how to use it. All the very best and start building.